welcome back to Food Prep Guide. I am particularly excited today because our dehydrating masterclass is done and it is now officially available. So I have a jar of dehydrated shredded potatoes here. I picked this because this really represents months of trial and error when I was in my learning phase of learning how to dehydrate. I can't tell you how many batches of potatoes I wasted trying to figure out how to get it right. So months of work went into getting me to the point of where I am now, where I can produce perfect results like this every time. And I will tell you that one of the reasons that is the case is because of information overwhelm on the internet that conflicts with each other. One person says do it this way, one person says do it that way, and I don't do well with information overload. And so when all of those voices are, talking to me and telling me different things, I'm like, bah, I'm just gonna ignore it all and do it myself and see what happens. So that's a good way to avoid information overwhelm. Do it yourself and see what happens, but it also will add a lot of time to your journey of learning how to dehydrate. So our Dehydrating 101 Masterclass is going to teach you everything you need to know to get started dehydrating successfully and kind of eliminate that trial and error stage. Now, I will say that this course is not a massive encyclopedia of information. The reason why that is going back to the information overload. I understand books and courses and cookbooks, they want to pack in as much information as possible because they want to provide as much value as possible. And I totally get it. We want to do that too. But at some point, the too much information becomes part of the problem, at least if your brain operates like mine, which I know we're all unique. But what you will find inside this course, picture a simplified, condensed version, like a roadmap of if you do it this way, no, it's not the only way to do it, but if you do it this way, you're going to avoid a lot of bumps and potholes along the way, but you're also going to avoid way too much information that is simply extraneous and not needed. So if that sounds good to you, please check out the course. We are doing a special launch offer. It is available now, but if you order or enroll before Sunday by midnight, you're going to get the lowest price that will ever be, but you will also get our dehydrated food conversion chart, which is a paid product that has been in our shop for many, many months now. We are going to give you that for free if you enroll by Sunday before midnight. You'll get a coupon code inside the course and it will allow you to go and get that from our shop for free. So if you're interested, please check that out. I know that many of you watch on TV and I have heard from many of you that it's really hard to access links in the description box. If that's you, please drop a comment in the comments below. And just ask me for the link and I will send you that link personally in the comment, and I think that's a lot easier for y'all to access if you're watching from a television. Okay, y'all, I hope that was helpful to you and we will see you next time. Bye.